Hi everyone, it's Sarah the Foot Nurse. Today I'm in the clinic and I wanted to share with you 4 quick tips of what you can do to soften your heels. So this patient came in with pretty dry, cracked, unhydrated heels. This is what I see quite often, no matter what time of year it is. So I wanted to share with you guys what you can do at home to soften your own heels. Okay, so the first tip to softening your heels is to use a foot file. You can use your foot file either wet or dry. I have already sprayed this patient's foot with a callus softener, and I'm using a double-sided stainless steel foot file to remove that cracked, hard, dry skin you saw on his heel. You will want to use your foot file in any direction that feels comfortable to you. The most important thing when using a foot file is to make sure you don't take off too much skin, because if you do, it will really be painful when you start to walk. The next tip to soften your heels if you don't have a foot file is to use an electronic foot file. I'm using a podiatry rotary tool, but you can use a rechargeable foot file like the Amope Pedi Perfect. You can use this type of file on your heels if your heels are not too heavily cracked. The next step to soften your heels is to moisturize them. In the clinic, we provide waterless medical pedicure, so here I am spritzing the patient's foot with water to get his foot ready for the next service. At home, you would want to moisturize your feet by either placing them in a foot bath and using your favorite foot soak, by taking a shower and using a very gentle foot wash or soap, or simply soaking in a tub to soften your heels. Here, I am simply massaging the patient's foot with a foot scrub to exfoliate his feet. The next tip to soften your heels is to trap the moisture. You would do this by applying your favorite moisturizer to your feet to keep them hydrated. Here I am removing the foot scrub from the patient's foot, revealing smooth, hydrated, softened skin. I have placed before and after pictures of this patient's foot at the end of the video for you, along with pictures of the foot foam cream I have used on this patient's feet to help keep his heels soft. I have left links in the description box down below where you can purchase some of the products listed in this video. As always, guys, remember to take care of your legs and feet because they're the only pair you're going to get.